All right, end of day, what is it, the 14th? July 14th. So, all of our Regal Ideas railing is finished. Got the staircase rail done. Got some inlight lights in the stairs. The drdecks limited edition. These are the Hive 22s, 22 millimeter light. Got my little logo on there. This is done. I'll try to get you guys a video soon of the lighting. Oh wait, do I sell the remote? No, they took it back. Oh no, it's still here. Quickly. All right, so there's a remote. And there's the light. Can you see the light? Awesome. I'll probably try to get back here and get some night shots eventually. So, pretty cool. All right, so there's that. Just working on trim. We're getting close. We called for a final tomorrow because structurally we're pretty much done. Just have to finish up these stairs, get the lights in for that. Got our top and bottom trim in over here. We framed up the gate for access for under the deck. And we started trimming out below as well. So we're getting close. All right, guys, have a good night. Over and out.